2.1.13, use the graph determining relative maxima or minima of the function and the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. So relative maximum minimums, one way that we can find them, basically in the notes I talked about, they're peaks and valleys, right? So notice this is a high point. So another way we can talk about it too is where the function switches from increasing to decreasing. See that point where it switches? That's a relative maximum. Okay, and if it's the other way, if it's decreasing and then increases, that would be a relative minimum. Okay, and it's the y value that's the relative max or minimum. Okay, so right here, that's going to be a relative max. Oops, max is at 2.25, and it happens when x equals 3.5, and then the function's increasing from, okay, so notice the arrowhead, so it'll be from negative infinity. So even though it's going down, it's all the points, right? It's going sideways a little bit too. So it's from negative infinity to 3.5, and then from 3.5 to infinity, it is decreasing, right? And remember, increasing, decreasing are defined as open intervals. So we have a relative maximum value of 2.25. Remember, it's the y value. And it happens or occurs when x is 3.5. Okay, there's no relative minimum. The function's increasing from negative infinity to 3.5. Okay, and it's decreasing from 3.5 to infinity.